So here in this particular question, we have an arithmetic progression whose first, second, and the last terms are A, B, and C. We need to obtain the sum of the nth term. So let's begin. First, let's begin by writing down whatever we are being provided with. So our first term, so it's given that the first term value is represented by A. Then we have the second term. That was the second term is B. Now, since we have the second term, we can obtain the common difference, which will be second term minus the first term. So our common difference is B minus A. Then we also have our last term. So the last term is usually the nth term. So our an will be equals to C. We have to obtain the sum of the nth term. So we know that the general formula for the sum up to the nth term is given by the formula n over 2 multiplied to 2 times a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So here a represents the first term and d is represented by, as d is the common difference. So here I'm using uppercase letters. That's because a is already being used up. Now what we have to do is, since we already have the value of a and d, the first term and the common difference, we'll need to find out the nth term. We also know that the nth term is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So our nth term, which is the last term, has a value c. So we have c equals to a value. So a is a in lowercase plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is b minus a. So that means we have c minus a equals to n minus 1 times b minus a, or we can also rewrite it as n minus 1 times b minus a. So this will be equals to c minus a. We will be using this particular equation, but first we will go one more step and solve for n. So our n value will be equals to, we have b plus c minus 2a divided by b minus a. So this is the value of our n. Now we'll be using this n value and replace it in the Sn. So our Sn, which is the sum to the n terms, that will be equals to n over 2. So we have b plus c minus 2a whole divided by b minus a multiplied to 2. This will be whole multiplied to 2 times the first term, which is 2a, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So we obtained our common difference as b minus a. Now luckily n minus 1 times b minus a, we have already obtained that this value is c minus a. So we can replace it with c minus a, such that we have b plus c minus 2a whole divided by 2 times b minus a whole multiplied to a plus 2a plus c minus a. And that finally gives us a 2a minus a will be positive a. So we'll have a plus c. And this is going to give us the value a plus c times b plus c minus 2a whole divided by 2 times b minus a. So this is the value of our sum to the n terms.